Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review another problem which states that a ball is drawn at random from a bag containing 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. And we would like to find the probability that it is a red ball. Let's first define our sample space. In this case, it is made up of 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. So there are 15 balls in our sample space. We are interested in the event that the drawn ball is a red ball. Now there are 6 red balls in the bag and we can pick any of these 6 balls. So there are 6 possibilities of picking a red ball from the bag. Then the probability that the drawn ball is a red ball is h by n, which is equal to 2 by 5. Now let's change our problem a bit. We are still interested in knowing what ball is drawn from the bag, but now we want to find the probability that it is not a red ball. Again, our sample space consists of 15 balls, and the event in this case is that the drawn ball is not a red ball. As this is a small sample space, so we could easily figure out that there are 9 possibilities to choose a white or a blue ball from the bag. And we can use the same approach as in the previous slide to find the probability as h by n, which is 9 by 15 or 3 by 5. We can also use theorem 4 from part 1 of the basic probability video. This theorem states that the probability of not r is equal to 1 minus the probability of r. As we already know the probability of r because we calculated it in the previous slide, and it is 2 by 5, so we plug that into this and can easily find out that the probability of not r is 3 by 5. We can also use axiom 3 again from part 1 of the basic probability video, so please watch it if you haven't and want to learn more about the axioms and the related theorems. Axiom 3 states that for every collection of mutually exclusive events, the probability of their union is the sum of the individual probabilities. So we can write the probability of not r as the probability of white or blue, which is equal to the sum of their individual probabilities. And again, this gives us the same result, that is 3 by 5. In the next video, we will cover another problem. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.